why you are watching this video, because you really want to learn English, you really need to learn English. Or in this lesson I'm gonna discussing about how to use could in English. Hi, I'm Ratan from English with RJ, and before I start the lesson, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Please don't forget subscribe, like, share as much as you can. Here you go. So can is the modal auxiliary verb, and right, there are 5 ways to use can. So let's have a look at the point. So first point is that past ability. Past ability, right? Past ability, right? Past ability, that means we are did anything at the past time, right? Or at the present time we are showing the ability. So please, example, Mohan Mohan could play well. Mohan could play well when he was young, right? That means in the present time I'm talking about Mohan. Mohan could play well, but when he was young, right? And the next is that Ria could sing a song a lot when she was child, right? That means at the present time we are talking about Ria. What? Ria was sing a song lot, but when he was child, right? And the next point is that we are use could for polite request. For polite request, that means कि whenever we need to something, right? Whenever we need to know something about or take something about to someone else, then we can use could. Just like example, could I have your name please? That means कि I don't know your name, right? I just wanna know your name. Then we can use this kinds of sentence, right? That means could I have your name please? That means what is your name, right? Next is that could I have your phone number please? Phone number. That means कि I don't have your phone number, right? I don't have your phone number, right? I just wanna need your phone number. Then we can use it. Could I have your phone number please? That means कि could you give me your phone number please? You can use like that. Like that you can use could you give me could you give me your phone number please? Right? We can use like that. What? Could you give me your phone number please? We can use like that, right? Next is that third, we can use a could third of the permission, right? Permission, that means कि whenever we go to a school, college or institutes, then we need to get permission to come in the class. That means enter in the class. Then we can use permission. For example, could I Kha means we can use like that, or you can use also could I take your phone please, right? That means ki I need your phone, I just wanna take your phone, so you can use this could I take your phone please, right? This is a third way use of permission, right? And next is that we are gonna move on the next is that possibility, right? Possibility, right? In the possibility we can use here, in the possibility we can use here, that means we are thinking anything, right? Whenever we think anything, or that is happen exactly, right? Or just like the weather is looks like rain, right? We can think about that it could be rain today, right? So we can use the possibility, right? Or in the possibility there are three ways to we can use could in the possibility for present, for past, or for future. So let have a look here. Present, present, past, or future, right? Present, past, or future. So look, have a some example over here. So first example is that it could be rain today, right? It could be rain today, just like the weather is not too good, like it looks like to rain, then we can say that it could be rain today. In the present time, we can use it past as similar as just like it could be rain last day, last day, last day, that means yesterday, right? And the for a future, that means we can just think about that your brother your brother could your brother could call you anytime, right? That means we are just thinking about that. What thinking about that? Your brother could call you anytime, right? This is for future, right? In the English language, we never ever think where is end of the last Hindi meaning, right? So we never ever think. We just thinking about that. We just know about that where we can use could. First is that past ability. Second is that for polite request. Third is that for permission, and fourth is that possibility, right? Possibility, there are three things in the possibility. First is present, second is that past, or fourth, third is that future. And now we have move on the fifth use of could. So fifth use of could is that replace of simple past tense or did, replace of simple past or did, right? Replace of simple past or did, we can use it. Or before I giving the example, I'm gonna tell you one thing. The fifth use of could replace of simple past or did, it is informal way. Informal way, that means it is incorrect according to grammar. But right now at the present time, because the modern time is going on, lots of native speaker, lots of English language speaker is used of a lot, right? So whenever we used it, so please try to use it in formal way, right? It's used for informal way. We use for informal way, right? Just like i call I called you, but you could not take my call. That means I called you, but you did not take my call. So we can use here did not. You could not take my call, right? We are replacing it for simple past of did, just like I could go there. I could go there when I get time. When I get I could go there when I got time. That means I went there. But when I got time, right? We can use you could come here last day. That means you came here last day. We can use it, right? So guys, this is a way to use how to use could, right? Or in this video you are learning that how to use could. There are 5 ways to using could. First is that past ability, second is that for request, third is that for permission, fourth is that possibility. There are 3 ways in the possibility. First is that present, second is that past, or third is that future, and next and last is that request, replace of simple past or did, or it can be used for informal way, not for formal way, right? So we can use it, and please make us try to sanitize each out of 5. So guys, I hope you this video help you a lot, and you just keep watching till the end. Bye bye, take care.